Hello my kids. Today we are going to draw with numbers. Number 1 makes a sun. Wow, a happy sun. Number 2 makes a duck. Quack quack, a cute duck. Number 3 makes a tree. Trace number 3. Add a trunk and fluffy leaves. Beautiful tree. Number 4 makes a sailboat. Trace number 4. Add a sail and a little boat. Let's sail away. Number 5 makes a flower. Trace number 5. Add pretty petals and leaves. Lovely flower. Number 6 makes a butterfly. Trace number 6. Add wings and tiny antenna. Flutter, flutter. Number 7 makes an umbrella. Trace number 7. Add the umbrella top and handle. Ready for the rain. Number 8 makes a snowman. Trace number 8. Add a smile, buttons and arms. Number 9 makes a balloon. Trace number 9. Add a string. Up, up goes the balloon. Number 10 makes a house. Trace number 10. Add a roof, windows and a door. Welcome home. Well done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing! If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to Naila's Learning World. Bye!